So on a maintenance, we'll check the indoor blower motor. We'll check all the amp draws, make sure all the electrical isn't pulling too much power. Make sure that your transformer isn't buzzing and getting hot. We'll head outdoor and check all the electrical as well. Make sure all the safeties are doing what they need to do. We'll take apart your unit and we'll wash off all this junk. Then we'll let your coils dry off and put on our gauges. Make sure you got enough refrigerant. Add some if we need to. We'll go inside and check your temperature difference. Make sure that it's all good and you're cooling again. And that's what we do on our maintenances.